Hello, good day everyone. For this tutorial video, I want to discuss on how we are going to initially set up a WordPress in order for us to make our own blog site or website. So this is one of the very helpful interface, or when we call it as an application or a tool in order for us to make our web interactive. Okay, because when we talk of interactive, we could update anytime our blog site, no? Because of its features. Okay, so for those who are still beginner in a WordPress, I want to show you how you are going to set up initially, no? By, of course, simply downloading the package of WordPress. Make sure that your local server is running, because in this tutorial I want to use your local machine, not a server machine. It's only your own computer, and even though you don't have an internet, for as long as you already downloaded previously the package of the updated package of WordPress, you can still manage it, no? You can still manage it. So first thing to do, make sure that your XAMPP, okay, make sure that your XAMPP or your Apache, okay, is running. At the same time, your MySQL is running also. Okay, so we need to start our Apache, since our Apache is our active server locally in our own computer. Okay, ito yung magiging server natin. It's actually a service, no? And then of course, in order for us to set up later on the database of our blog, of our website, okay, we should also start MySQL. Then immediately we should create the database, because to make our website interactive, no, we should use database. Okay, so ito ginagamit natin para ma-save natin later on yung account natin, in order for us to be the admin of the website, para doon tayo mag-update, doon tayo mag-edit if there are some updates that we want to do. So we need a database anyway. So we need to click admin in order for us to create initially a database. Okay, ito yung gagamitin natin para makapag-create tayo ng database para sa blog natin. A database name, may any database name, pwede po yan, for as long as in the setting up of WordPress later on, we should call the database we have created. Okay, so click on the new button. Okay, and then you could just name it as DB WordPress. Okay, since this is for our WordPress, kailangan natin pangalanan DB WordPress. Okay, so we will just simply use collision for the type of the database, then just click create. Okay, yan lang, ganyan lang siya. After creating, okay, naka-start naman na yung control panel natin, yung Apache and MySQL, at nakapag-create naman na tayo ng database natin para sa blog natin. okay na yan. Okay, the next thing to do, what we're going to do is to download, kung hindi pa natin na-download, yung package or updated package ng WordPress. Ang kailangan lang natin is to browse for the website of WordPress, that is wordpress.org. Okay, and then get WordPress lang tayo for us to be able to get the latest, no? The latest package of WordPress. Okay, sa baba hanapin lang natin this one. This is the latest package. Okay, but if you have downloaded this before, it's just okay, you could proceed to the next step. Okay, so I'm going to download this. Download natin to, konti lang naman siya. Okay, so we will just wait. Ayan, so sabi dito kasi download na. Okay, because I have already downloaded this before, no? So I'm going to look at the download folder and locate for that package. So I think it's in a compress. WordPress. Okay, ito ba siya? Tama ba yan? No. We have already 5.6.2, but what I have is 0.1 pa rin siya. So saan ba siya nakalagay? WordPress. Wala dito. Okay, I think we need to download. Open lang natin siya. Okay, so yun talaga yun. Now, so next thing you do here after downloading is you're going to extract the content of this WordPress zip file into our root directory, the root directory of our no? So you just simply extract this. Extract lang natin yung laman. Okay, all of this, no? Lahat ng laman nito ay i-extract natin doon sa root directory ng XAMPP natin, which is, nasabi ko na to before, we'll just simply i-ano lang natin, i-zoom in lang natin. Okay, ito yon. So drive C, no? Drive C, then locate for the folder XAMPP, and then htdocs. Okay, so we are going to extract here, but of course, in order for us to organize our blog site, we need to create for the name of the blog site that we're going to do. Okay, so gagawa dapat tayo ng folder natin dito by simply clicking on the new folder. Okay, but of course dapat inside htdocs. Okay, rename that folder. For example, I'm going to create my own blog site, Daniel Blog, for example. Okay, so open ko lang yon. Open ko lang siya. Open that folder para doon ma-extract yung laman ng WordPress natin. Click OK. Okay, so if you notice, extraction process has started. Okay, so we'll just wait for this process to finish. Okay, so I think it's done. Okay, so next thing to do that we're going to do is we are going to access now. I-access natin yung localhost natin and then yung pangalan ng folder na create natin doon sa htdocs as the root directory of our XAMPP. Okay, so install na natin yung WordPress by simply accessing the localhost, then dapat yung pangalan nung folder na create natin kung saan natin in-extract yung laman ng WordPress. Okay, so that's my folder. Just click enter to start. So, antay lang natin, binabasa pa, no? Going back, let's check kung mayroon na doon sa loob. Xampp, htdocs, and then Daniel Blog. Okay, so ito na po yung laman nung WordPress natin. Okay, so ito na siya. Nag-start na yung ano natin. Na-read na niya yung laman. So dito, what we need to do is to select is the English language. Okay, continue. Okay, then ito. Welcome to blah blah blah. So we need to set up the database name. Wherein, nagawa natin yung kanina. Ang pangalan is DB WordPress. No? Ayan, so database password, database host, the prefix for all the tables. Okay? So, let's go. Click lang natin yung let's go button. Okay, so ito na po siya. By default, okay, sabihin ng WordPress, ito yung default na database. But since we have created kanina with a prefix DB, just click on the DB or just include DB WordPress because this is what we have created earlier. Then, of course, the username. By default, guys, that is root. And then password, we did not set any password at all, so just leave this as empty. Then of course for the host, that is the local host for our local machine. But later on, if you're going to upload this to the internet or for a certain local host, okay, so we could change this, no? And then for the table prefix, you could just leave it as WP underscore, whatever tables later on that will be created. Okay, ito yung magiging prefix natin. No? So ulitin ko, ito yung database name na ginawa natin kanina in our MySQL admin. So ito yon, DB WordPress. Okay, and then username is by default root. And then password, since we did not set any password, okay, during the installation of our Xampp, just leave this as empty. A localhost, then WP, just click submit. Okay, so alright, Sparky, you have made to this blah blah blah, then just run the installation. Just click run the installation. Okay, so ito na siya, no? What we need to do here is to enter for the site name, yung pangalan ng site natin. So if you are just creating your own blog site, you can just simply name it as Daniel's Blog. Okay, kasi dito ko ilalagay yung mga blog ko wherein everybody could comment or could include their own insights kapag nabasa yung mga blogs, no? So yan yung pangalan, site title. Then of course what you need to set here is yung username kung i-open natin yung blog natin as the administrator. Okay, because what we are setting here is the administrator account, no? So I'm just include or just use my name. So, meron dito binigay na password. You can change this. You can change this if you want. Okay, para mas madaling maintindihan. Pero ang ginagawa ko dito para mas secure yung account, yung main account doon sa blog site ko, I will just use this. But make sure to copy this in a notepad or a text editor. So that later on, if you want to log in, you can just copy and paste. Okay, so username is Daniel and my password is that one. Okay, ito siya, no? Save nyo dapat to. Okay, then Of course, your email. You're going to include your email address for you to be able to receive updates from WordPress kung may mga updates sila, no? And then after that, just click install. Just click install WordPress. Okay? So this installation process could be offline, no? Pwedeng offline ito. Di natin kailangan ng internet para makapag-install tayo ng WordPress. Yun nga lang, as much possible, you need to download first the package of the WordPress. Yung in-extract natin, dapat downloaded na so that pwedeng mag-run even though naka-offline tayo. Okay, so neighbor ko lang ito. Yan, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. I-login na natin ngayon yung administrator account. Okay, so you're going to simply log in, and then I'm going to copy the password that has been saved. Okay, copy, and I'm going to use that as my password, and then log in. So here is now the dashboard of the administrator account for the WordPress. Okay, so antay lang natin. Ang ma-open dapat natin dito ay yung dashboard nung admin account. Ayan. So that would be our next topics, no? Until such time that we could complete our website. Okay, so if you notice, andyan na yung mga later on, we are going to manage our website by simply using this dashboard. Okay, so how are we going to for example, we close this. Na-close natin to. Na-close natin yan accidentally, but you want to reopen it, the admin. Okay, so ang gawin lang natin is localhost. Okay, localhost, din tawagin natin yung pangalan ng website natin, folder, blog. Kapag yan lang, you're just simply opening your website. Okay, so ito siya. Wala pang kalaman-laman, di ba? Pero kung gusto mong i-edit ngayon yung website mo, okay, using the WordPress dashboard, you will just simply include on the URL wp-login. Okay, wp-login, then enter. Oh, wp-login.php, sorry. You just include that PHP. wp-login.php for you to be able to access the administrator or the dashboard. Okay, the dashboard of your WordPress, your website. This is the most easiest way for us to be able to update always. Kung nag-update tayo palagi ng like including posts, latest news, ito yon. Ito yung ginagamit natin. Okay, so again, I'm going to log in, copy, then paste ko to, then log in natin. So para ma-open natin yung dashboard. Ayan, so next time dadagdagan natin by simply adding for the appearance, slider of our website, ano tayo mag-include ng mga plugins. It will depend, no? The plugins will depend on what kind of website you are creating, no? Blog site ba siya? Information website ba siya? Okay? Or tourism website? It will depend. It will depend later on kung ano yung pipiliin nating theme nung website natin. Okay? WordPress themes are free. There are free available. Okay? You can just download. Meron ding mga nabibili, mga themes. Okay? So that's all for this tutorial. I hope that you learned something a lot. But if you miss, no, you can just go over my video tutorial. Okay? So thank you for watching. God bless everyone.